In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Monday.com with Slack. This is a great way to connect team communication with project tracking. So updates happening inside Monday.com can automatically appear in Slack where your team is already talking. Before you begin, keep in mind that the native Slack integration is available on Monday.com, standard plans, and above. So make sure your workspace supports integrations. To get started, log into your Monday.com workspace and open the specific board you want to connect. This setup is done on a board by board basis, which means you'll need to configure it separately for each board where you want Slack notifications. Once you're inside the board, go to the top right corner and click the Integrate button. This will open the Automations and Integrations area. In the search bar, type Slack, then select the purple Slack integration tile. Next, you'll choose an integration recipe. Monday.com uses pre-built templates called recipes to make common automations easy to set up. You'll see options such as sending a notification to a Slack channel when a status changes, when a new item is created, or when a date arrives. Take a moment to review the available templates, then click the one that best matches the workflow you want to automate. After that, a connection window will appear so you can authorize the integration. Click Connect, and you'll be redirected to Slack's secure authorization page. On that screen, confirm that the correct Slack workspace is selected in the top right dropdown. This is important if you belong to more than one workspace. When everything looks right, click Allow to grant permission and complete the connection. Once the accounts are linked, you'll move into the recipe customization area. Here, you'll click the underlined fields inside the recipe text to define exactly how the automation should work. Select the status field to choose which board column you want to track. Select the message field to customize what will be posted in Slack. You can make these alerts more useful by including dynamic board values, such as the item name or assignee, so the message is specific and easy to understand. Then select the channel field and choose the Slack channel where the update should be sent. When everything is configured, click Add to Board to activate the automation. If you plan to send notifications to a private Slack channel, there's one extra requirement. Open Slack, go to that private channel, and invite the Monday.com app to join the channel before expecting alerts to work. This ensures